Well, I'm feeling hungry and I want to eat some greens. So we're gonna get some different kind of greens. We got some mustard greens here. Snip some of these. I apologize having to do this with one hand. Let's see, I don't want to snip too much. Grab that one. That one looks good. And we got some kale here. I'm gonna snip these two. Grab that one. Grab that one. What else have we got? Probably snip some from. So I don't want to take too much. That's the thing. You don't take too much from plants. That way they just kind of keep regenerating. Well, let's see. What else do we have? What else do we have? Got a lot of tomatoes. So for sure, I'm going to snag some of these. Red ones. And where else do we have them? We got a couple hanging out down here in this jungle of tomatoes. Let's see, that one's good. Sorry for the looking at my nasty hand. Let's see. Okay, and I want to get some radish. Make sure I cut right. So you can eat the radish leaves. I tried those yesterday. A baby cucumber. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is radish too. Alright, I want to snip this one. That's a nice looking leaf, isn't it? Alright, I think we'll get another one. I sure did like the way those tasted. Alright. Got another radish leaf. And I think over here, get a little bit, get one more thing of kale. And that one. And that's my lettuce, but I'm letting that, remember if you've seen that second live video, that's our lettuce there, kicking it good. Doing well. Now most everything here, ooh, what a jungle. This thing is getting so out of control. Alright, we're going to snip one more kale up here. And we're going to go outside and get some stuff. Oh my goodness. This gets so out of control. Alright. So let's go out. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? Now let's get some roselle. This for sure. Yeah, this stuff tastes great. I'll get these red ones. Can't really eat the stems. Grab that one. That other one blow way off too. Just snipped one. I can snip a couple. Will. Alright. Let's see. Let's grab that one. And that one. Hit that one. Where'd the other one go? Gosh. Did you see where that other one went? Right here. Okay. I don't want to take too much of the roselle. It's going to get beaten down tonight with the cold weather. But something I can beat down with aggression is our sweet potatoes. Now these, I like to eat the stems too. Stems taste great. Alright. Let's grab these as we cut them. So these are just packed full. This stuff's packed full of nutrition. These roselles have got so many amazing nutrients. Cancer fighting, immune. I think they also help with high blood pressure. Sweet potatoes, chock full of nutrition too. So this whole bucket here was like a powerhouse of vitamins, nutrition, and good stuff. Let's get some more. Because the sad thing is that this bucket might look like, wow, it's so full of stuff. You steam it, it turns into nothing. So we're gonna bulk up with our sweet potatoes. And where did you go? There it is, right here. Okay. Okay. I think that's pretty good. I think what else we could get. Could make tea out of this, but we're not going to do tea. I think this is good. It's a good bit to make some wash it up and steam it up. So let's go do that. Okay, so I washed all these individually. I tend to do that with the greens, especially the ones I get outside, because they are a treat for not only me, but all the critters involved out there. I don't use pesticides or anything like that. I don't even use fertilizer. So these are completely and 100% organic, which is good. I can't say that for the stuff in the garage because I do use fertilizer for that. So I got them all chopped up, and I'm gonna put them. Etsy sale. Woohoo! That didn't happen much. Appreciate that for sure. Whoever bought something. But anyway, let's. I'm gonna steam this up and wrap it up, steam it in the microwave. I'm gonna sit over there and chat out. Well, we have the end result. Not a bad mix. I ended up making some eggs, and you're like, why didn't you film it? Well, my cooking is a travesty. So let's enjoy the greens. I don't have anything on them. I'm just enjoying the taste of the natural greens. Wow. Really good. The roselle adds like a sour lemony flavor to it. Like I said, leaves are incredibly healthy. Just filled with good stuff. It's wonderful good stuff. And I'll tell you, one of the favorite things I love are the stems of the sweet potato, because they're not hard, and they're soft and crunchy, but they're edible. Now the steams, the ones of the roselle, I think you technically can eat those, but they are really hard to chew. So I think you have to cook those for a lot longer than what I'm used to. But anyway, eggs, they're just simple eggs and olives. Nothing added in there really. There's a couple of little spices, but nothing fantastic. And of course our cherry tomatoes that we got. Those are so good. Those are the only tomatoes that I've been able to grow this whole year. Nothing outside work. So, that's a good meal. Appreciate y'all hanging around with me today while I kind of gathered and put this together for a nice healthy lunch. Y'all take care.